Hi everyone, this is Atul from Pratham Investment Managers. I have received many queries since last few days regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty view. And actually, I haven't got enough time to create this video. Or maybe you might have missed some move, but it's okay. Tomorrow is weekly expiry, that is 16th September, and we will be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and small analysis of some options data so that we can guess our tomorrow's move in Nifty Bank Nifty. Okay, this is a 30-minute time frame chart of Nifty, and we are looking at the recent area. Okay, so this is the area where we will be focusing regarding our short-term analysis. Okay, so let's see. I think this is actually a very small range consolidation in last few days. It started around uh, September 1st, 2nd, and till today, market was moving in a very small range. The range was approximately around 150 points. We have spent enough time to create a good base at this region. Okay, now with today's candles of the initial half hour, we have given a breakout in Nifty and market has moved higher since the breakout. Okay, so what happened actually in this area is very important. We can see that this is actually a rectangular consolidation. We can draw a rectangle like this. You may call this as a consolidation zone. This will be one area. Okay, now let's see another part. There will be a triangle in this area. Okay, so this is a triangle. So we have given a breakout above the rectangular consolidation zone. We have given a breakout above the triangle area, and one more formation is there. We will see the formation also. Let's remove this. Okay, now at this point, if we consider smaller moves, then this will be one shoulder, this will be the head area, and again there will be a shoulder. The shoulder is actually smaller, but it's okay, it is a representative part. This is called a bullish inverted head and shoulder pattern, and this pattern indicates that the neckline was placed around 17,434 and the breakout is done today. We have been seeing that Nifty is trading continuously above the neckline for the complete day and move towards 17,520 area. Okay, so about all the formations and the breakout, the rectangular formation was a consolidation zone of around 150 points, 150 60 points. So normally, naturally, the consolidation or box breakout gives you the target of similar height on the higher side. So box breakout was around 150 160 points. So from 17,430, 160 points is almost equal to 17,600. So the target of this box breakout, which was earlier drawn, it gives around 17,600. Okay, this is the box, and the height of the box is approximately 170 160 points. Okay, now this is a cup and inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is a bullish pattern. After breakout, normally the height of the head is considered as the target, above the neckline. So height of the head is again the same. It is equal to the height of the rectangle. So the target area is again the same, that is 17,600 area. Now the next formation is the triangle formation. So this is a triangle formation, and the triangle formation, we can see that the breakout is approximately height of the triangle is approximately 200 points, and the breakout from this area, that is the breakout area of 345, approximately 345 plus 200, that is equal to 17,545. So approximately 17,550 to 17,600 is the approximation of breakout targets. Okay, so if we consider tomorrow's expiry, we will be seeing some pullback in initial hours, so that market reacts a little bit towards the downside. And the reason is we haven't seen a pullback after the breakout is given. Market is continuously trading on higher side every candle, except the one candle after immediately after breakout is the red candle, which was a retesting candle. So naturally we can expect a small pullback before any further move, and it might be a trap for short sellers also. If we consider this chart on a slightly higher time frame, that is 1 hour time frame, then we can see that this area may be a flag, and we can consider this area as a pole of the flag. So this is again a flag and pole formation. The flag and pole formation breakout gives you the target of height of the pole. So naturally this height is 17,440 30 430 and 17,040. It is approximately 400 points. So from the breakout level, that is 17,434, the target comes around 17,840 levels. Okay, so these are the levels that we are expecting in Nifty: 17,550 to 17,600 for tomorrow's expiry, and above that 17,880 levels approximately. Okay, so uh, the reason for tomorrow's will be seen in the option chain of Nifty. Nifty 16th September. This is options data, and we can see that 17,500 call option has shaded. uh, it was actually the highest open interest area, 17,500. Okay, and below 17,500, many time frames, many strike prices like 17,300, 17,200 to 17,450. Everywhere we are looking at change in open interest, which is on the negative side. That means there were many shorts in the system and that are covered. So on the call side, the short covering is seen on smaller, lower strike prices. Only 17,500 is the area where we are still witnessing some higher open interest. And on the put side, we can see that 17,500 and lower strike prices have added a lot of open interest in uh, around 17,300 to 17,500 puts. It means the puts are written heavily, and the traders here are expecting a base around 17,500 levels. So we may expect 17,500 put to be zero in tomorrow's expiry due to the heavy writing at this level, and 17,500 if sustains for some time, or if we see some movement towards 17,550, then we will witness a strong short covering in 17,500 calls. So there will be a rally in index by another 50-60 points in tomorrow's session, and we can see a market moving towards 17,600 area. Let's move towards bank nifty. So when I see bank, this is a bank nifty chart, and this is again a 1 hour chart. Okay, bank nifty is actually underperforming heavily, and we are not expecting anything big from here. But as we can see, bank nifty is trading near its all-time high and trying to move towards the all-time high. There is support on the rising trend line resistance. It was a resistance in earlier days, and now it is working as a support. So the trend line will act as a support. Similarly, there is a support around this area. Okay, this is the support zone around 36,524 area. This will be your major area of concern. And then if we can draw few lines here, this will be a bigger triangle in bank nifty. Okay, so this is a triangle area actually in bank nifty, and we can see that this is a symmetrical triangle. The triangle has given a breakout, and normally the area, the difference between the two ends of the triangle is considered to be the target of the breakout. So in this case, it will be approximately 3720 to 35,760. Uh, just a minute, let me calculate it. 37,120 minus 35,760. It will be approximately 1360 points from the breakout area. So 36,709 will be our breakout area, and 1300 points from here is approximately 38,000. So as I have updated many times, that market will try to move towards 30,000 bank nifty. Actually, my expectations are too high in bank nifty because bank nifty is performing underperforming by a big difference. Okay, so let's see. This is the area where we have to focus. Tomorrow we will see some pullback towards the area of 36,737, and then market will try to move on the higher side because the breakout is already done. The retesting will be done in tomorrow's early session, and then the next move will start if by any chance bank nifty crosses 37,000, which is a round off number, and resistance in this area, then we may witness some short covering and a sharp rally in bank nifty also, which will lead towards 37,200 approximately. Near this area it is 126 actually, and if we go in the past data, then the resistance will be approximately around 37,200 in this area. Okay, so this will be the approx uh, area of focus. The reason behind this is the open interest data. If we see in the current scenario, tomorrow's 16 September, tomorrow's options data, 37,000 call option is having the highest open interest, and 36,900 is the second level, nearest level, which is having addition in open interest. Below 36,900 we are not expecting anything because there is huge short covering in 36,500 to 36,800 level strike prices. And on the put side, there is huge addition in 36,900 to 36,500 puts, 36,600 puts. So we are expecting these puts uh, will be expiring near zero levels. And if 37,000 crosses, 37,000 put is also seeing some addition in open interest. If we see 37,000 on spot Nifty, then we can expect a short covering in this area, and it will lead to 37,200 where call options have highest open interest. So above 37,000, 37,200 is the area where we can witness high uh, high volumes of call writing, and there will be huge short covering in 37,000 calls. So most probable area for tomorrow's expiry will be around 37,200. And looking at the options data and overall charts, there are few things that I would like to share. If you are a option writer, then you may get some benefits of this kind of data, and try to write 36,800 or 36,900 put options around 100 range. Or you may start writing this puts when market takes up deep in initial hours, so it will be available on slightly higher premiums. Okay, and you may go long in 36,800 or 900 calls around 100 or around 130 levels, 130, 140 levels in 800 calls. This will be the best scenario. If market moves towards 37,200, then this call will be zero. This put which you have written will be zero, and the 36,800 call, which is in the buying zone, that is around 150, it will be a buy. So it will deliver approximately 400 uh, 400 level in option in premium. So it will be a gain of around 200 250 points, and on put short it will be a gain of around 150 points. So overall gain may be around 300 400 points. Okay, in worst case scenario there will be expiry around 37,000. So in that case too, the put will be almost zero and the call will be around 200 levels. So there will be still some kind of gain, and it will be a expiry game. So there might be some volatility, there might be some ups and downs. Even if we plan something, there is no guarantee that the operators are thinking the same. Bank Nifty is currently manipulated by a big time, so don't expect anything in your favor. Whatever data is on the screen may change at any time. So be very alert and do not go with heavy positions for tomorrow's expiry. Overall market is still bullish. Overall the targets on higher side are still intact, but this is weekly expiry, and normally market on expiry days behaves weird. So let's hope that it will cross 37,000, so that the bulls will get some relief in Bank Nifty, and 37,000 will see short coverings. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, keep sharing, and just like the YouTube channel so that you will get more and more such informative videos. Thank you. Thank you all.